Hi, and thank you for clicking on this video to find out more about writing short fiction, a new creative writing course designed with these uncertain times in mind. My name is Dr. Claire Griffiths and I'm a creative writing lecturer. I've been teaching in higher education for the past 10 years for institutions including the University of East Anglia and Brunel University. I'm also a hugely enthusiastic teacher of adult learners. I love being around people taking their first forays into writing fiction, be that as an art form totally new to them, or perhaps they've been writing on the sly for the past few years and not really letting on. I run adult learner courses for Imperial College London, for City Lit, and also for Incat 84 Bookshop in Highbury, which is where the seed for this course was sown. Writing short fiction is a 10-week long course which takes you through the writing process from beginning to middle to end, giving you the confidence that you can not just devise but complete short stories. But the best thing about this course is that it is fully flexible for this strange new era that we're in. You can participate wherever in the world you are, you can start the course whenever you like, and you can take part at your own pace. You can also study solo or have a group experience interacting with other learners. So how do we do all this? Well, let me show you. Writing short fiction is not a live class but a pre-recorded video series, and that means you can tell me when you'd like to start. Just sign up on the website when you're ready and your course will start then. Every Monday for the next 10 weeks you'll be emailed a link to a new lesson, each of which focuses on an aspect of writing craft, be that creating memorable characters, being original, or the fine details of sentences. You'll be watching these online, which means no annoying downloads. All you'll need for access is a Google account. Each lesson is made up of 5 mini tutorials, which you can do one after the other for a full class effect, or spread out across the week. You're getting a sneak peek at week 1 here, where we'll look at characteristics of the short story form and read Misery by Anton Chekhov. Each lesson contains mini presentations and sessions in our virtual classroom, guided writing activities to help you develop your own short fiction skills, and the Book Nook, our weekly discussion of fantastic short stories by writers such as Ali Smith, Annie Proulx, Yi-Yun Lee and William Goyen. Best of all, the stories we discuss here will be provided to you as part of your course pack. You'll have access to these lessons until the course ends, plus an extra 6 weeks in case life gets in the way. So that means you can take all the time you need. Now, of course, one of the things we are all missing at the moment is interacting with other people. So while you can do this course solo, if you would like to connect with other learners, you can use our optional private Facebook group. Here, you'll be able to participate in discussions about our weekly reading, topics and tasks. And, most importantly, you'll be able to exchange writing with people in your new community for feedback. I have carefully curated writing short fiction so that it's suitable for a wide range of learners. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced writer looking to refresh and diversify your skills, you'll find there is plenty in writing short fiction for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm really excited about this course and I very much hope you'll be joining us on this new writing adventure.